So guys, this is another video, as you know, on building my dream house in Jamaica / Airbnb. This is an update. As you notice, I was doing the tiling in the previous video and the cupboard. So now we have some paint on the wall. We did the grill, as you can see. We did the grill work. And the floor is already tiled. The workmen, they have stuff all over the floor. That is okay because it's a work site, right? And this is the bathroom. This is bathroom number 1. We did some grill work. We finished the countertop. Still don't install the pipe as yet. So here is the next room. As I see, we grill. And we're gonna be going.
Bam, bam! Me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment, and subscribe. Bam, my mama.
Everything. So now we're going on the other side. So this is the other side of the white kitchen. So as you can see, now we have a granite countertop up on this side. So this is another room. Grill already done. We do some painting. We prime it out and do some painting, and the tile is complete. We have the closet. Closet is almost complete in here. That side towards the left, we're gonna be putting in some drawer and stuff to the side. So yeah, still ongoing work. Room sockets, plug, paint. And here is the bathroom. Bathroom is already grilled, fully tile, countertop. Tile it. We didn't install the toilet as yet. We're still waiting on that, and we should install the faucet. So we still didn't install the faucet. And the shower faucet is not yet complete. So moving on over to room number 2. This is another room. We don't have any closet in this room. This room with already prime and paint and grill, and the floor is completed. The tile work is completed. We just have some socket cover to go over those. So this is a more upfront look at as the kitchen, and the kitchen as how it look. As you can see, it's the only thing we have left in the kitchen to do is to install like the faucet and the some plug covers, and to install the jar pull for the cupboard. We still did not install like the stove or the fridge. So that is it for this kitchen. Yes guys, this is it for this side of the kitchen. And now we're going to room number 3. We have this room around to the side of the kitchen. So this it come with 2 windows. As you can see, it's grill. It's a rather small room, but we have some boxes with some lighting fixtures and things. This room is already painted, fully tile. And that's it. And this is on the other side. Like I said, excuse the mess, but we have workman going as a construction site. And this is a bath, not a laundry room. This is a laundry room. I'm trying to take a part of the kitchen, turn it into a laundry room, so that we have 2 laundry rooms on either side. I know guys, you already see the side of the kitchen, but this is it. Kitchen still have some work left to be done, like the faucet and thing. And this is the other room on the other side. What's a room number 4? This is room number 4 on the other side, where we have a closet. We have a closet to the right and the bathroom. This is a closet. Still not yet complete, so workmen still working on them. So this is a front room. I know this is a bathroom on this side. This is bathroom number 2. Guys, we're at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And guys, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified of the next upload. And we will be giving you more updates as the house project come along. So guys, thanks.